So now let's see how we can utilize Sharpen and Sharpen Edges option inside a Photopea. So to do that, you need to go around onto Filter right here and then go to Sharpen right here. And if I were to go around onto Sharpen and Sharpen again, then you can see that it sharpens out the image a bit right here, just like this. You can go around over here onto Filter, then onto Sharpen and click on Sharpen again right here. And what happens is that it sharpens this out right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around onto Filter right here and then go around onto Sharpen right here and then go to Sharpen Edges, as you can see right here, and it particularly targets out the edges and sharpens it out right here. Let me just go around and press Ctrl Z a few times right here, just like this. Now I can go around over here onto Sharpen and then go to Sharpen Edges, and then it particularly takes the edges right there and sharpens it out. And that is how you can utilize the Sharpen and Sharpen Edges filter inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.